Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your hidden apps on your iPhone. So if we go to one of these applications and we hide it, let's go to maybe this option right here and hold down on it. And then go to like require Face ID. You have the option to actually hide one of these apps. So let's choose an app that actually we can hide. So let's go on over to maybe YouTube Studio. And then go to require Face ID and go to hide and require. Now this is going to remove it from the home screen, so let's just scan this. And it says hide app. Okay. Now what we want to do to find it is go all the way to the right to app library, scroll on down, and there's going to be a folder right here called hidden. Just tap this, and you're going to have to scan your face or type in your code. And then this is going to review all those apps you have in the hidden folder. And then what you can do is hold down on one of these and you can go to don't require Face ID, and then you're gonna have to scan your face one more time and it'll remove it from that folder. So just go right here and you can see all your apps you have hidden in there. Very easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.